Hi everyone, we wanted to share with you the 2020 first quarter market statistics for Incline Village in Crystal Bay, Nevada, here in beautiful Lake Tahoe. So Trevor, what is happening in our market right now based on the first quarter statistics?
So right now, Amy, it's more of the same, meaning there's a lot of consistency in our market as far as the number of sales, the highs and lows. You can't watch too closely because it's a small market, so you get a lot of skews in one direction or the other. But it looks very consistent from 2019 to 2020 as far as total sales, and a lot of the stats are kind of static, meaning we're in a stable position.
Perfect. Is there anything remarkable you want to highlight with that?
Well, one of the things I did notice is that in single-family homes, the average market time went down by 32%, which is a big drop. And actually, that coupled with condos, the average price went up quite a bit. I also noticed too that the average market time for the higher elevation properties, which was interesting, went up. So that might actually mean that that continued preference to be down low is still in play. People still remember the strong winters we had a couple winters ago.
That's true.
So,
I love it. So where's the market going now during the quarantine?
So obviously we're a lot slower as far as showing activity. Obviously it'll be easier to look back and figure this all out. But my sense is that we're going to have fewer sales because we can't get people up here. We can't get them into the properties. So we don't, our inventory is relatively static right now, meaning it's not growing exponentially, which it could be. But this is the time of year where everybody's thinking of putting their houses on the market, so maybe they're delaying that a little bit. Then I think we're going to see a surge of activity as we get into the summer, and assuming that we get out of COVID quarantine, then we're going to probably have a lot of activity.
So what is your prediction for the near future? I know you kind of touched on once we get out of this COVID-19, you do foresee it getting a little bit busier.
So we're having some issues right now with jumbo financing, and I'm sure other people are going to experience this. We had 7 escrows 2 weeks ago. Now we have 3. So we lost a bunch because of jumbo financing. So I think what's going to happen, and this is obviously a lot of our buyer pool is cash, right? Yeah. So you're going to see a big shift towards that because I think financing is going to remain difficult to get on reasonable terms. And you think, okay, well, what does that mean? It means that the lenders don't want to lend money at low rates when they're uncertain about if someone's going to make payments. Are they going to try to do a forbearance? So these are all things that are going to be issues that are kind of underlying in our market. It will affect prices at some point, right? If it lasts for a long time. So hopefully that doesn't happen. But that means you're going to have more calls like we're getting, opportunists, right? Cash buyers saying, okay, what kind of discount can I get? And so, those people are always around and they're looking for opportunities. So maybe this is their opportunity, but jumbo financing is a problem. It will remain a problem until the Fed or Treasury or Congress fixes it, and it may affect our market. So that, it's really like the question mark that I have going into this recovery that I was talking about. So
exactly. And one of the exciting things, though, the people that were unfortunate to not be able to go through with these jumbo loans, these are people that still are really interested in buying these properties up here. Incline Village and Lake Tahoe specifically is still a destination place. And even while we're quarantined in one of the most beautiful places on earth. Trevor and I have been going for a walk every day, and every day we go for a walk, we're out in our neighborhood. We're not seeing a lot of people, and it's typically like that even not during times of being quarantined. So I feel that Lake Tahoe is going to become a destination place, and it is a beautiful place to live. We're lucky to live here. So any of you guys that have any questions for us, don't hesitate to give us a call. We're here, we're happy to help, and cheers to the lake life.
Cheers to the lake life.
We feel very blessed to live here. We're very lucky.
Thank you.
Hope you all are safe and well, and we'll all get through this together. Thank you.